Clean bamboo sections move into enormous industrial chippers, where powerful rotating blades break the hard stalks into thousands of small, uniform chips. The prepared bamboo chips enter large, sealed processing vessels, where controlled heat and chemical or solvent-based treatment separates usable cellulose. The bamboo-derived cellulose pulp enters a sophisticated purification line, where multiple filters and washing systems remove remaining impurities from the material. The prepared bamboo fibers enter a high-speed textile carding line, where rotating cylinders gently open, separate, straighten, and align individual fibers. The soft bamboo-derived fiber sliver moves into advanced drawing machines, where several strands are combined and stretched to create a uniform structure. Freshly woven towel fabric enters large industrial washing machines where controlled water flow removes loose fibers, natural... The softened towel fabric enters large drying chambers, where carefully controlled warm air removes remaining moisture without damaging the delicate terry loops.
The cut towel panels move through high-speed industrial sewing machines, where strong stitching is applied around every edge to prevent fraying.